And this is how I cut mine, y'all. So now we're finna go on ahead and finish cutting this bread up, because guess what? It's waiting on us. All that goodness we did in that bowl, we're finna go on ahead and drop it in there. So now that we have our wet ingredients out, we're finna just mix it up a little bit to make for sure everything gets right back where it needs to be. Now, you do not have to do the overnight thing. Like I said, you can do it the same day. You can go on ahead and use it that same moment that you make it. All right, let's pour it all into a pan. That's the way I did mine. Now, you can use a bowl, you can use a plate, you can use whatever you have. This right here just made it just a little bit easier for me to put it in one of my Corningware dishes. Now we're just gonna put the bread in here. I was just going to put it all in there, just throw it in there. But I said, nah, I better go ahead and lay this out so we can soak this stuff up. Right? Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and lay them all out so it can get all this goodness in the bread. Kind of smash it down just a little bit. Not smash, but just a little push, you know what I'm saying? So it can get up all that goodness. Like a sponge, it will soak it up, and it'll soak it up quick. You'll see how all of this disappears, y'all. It's finna go bye-bye. All that liquid finna be gone. It's gonna be all up in this bread. You see how it's starting to disappear? All that liquid. Look down, there ain't nothing left. It's going away, and it's going away fast. So you already know these are going to be good with all that goodness up in there. It's going to be absolutely delicious. 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 Let me stop. Okay, so we're almost done with that. Y'all see it? You see it. Look at that. Do you see liquid? Just a little bit. We're gonna go on ahead and get these things cooked up. Do you hear me? Woo-wee! Yes, baby. So go on ahead and put some down if you're not gonna eat these all in the same day. So we can freeze some of these. We're gonna freeze some. So you have to freeze them first if you're going to use a fresh sealer. So they have to be froze first. Now we're just gonna put them in a Ziploc bag, freeze them up, and just go on ahead and put those in there real quick. You may want to just use a Ziploc bag because these are so good. So go on ahead and get you some butter and melt it in your skillet here. And so we're just gonna put a few in here so I can show you guys how they cook up. I wish I can let you guys taste these because they are so good. Look at all that goodness in there. We're gonna fry all of that up. So make for sure that you put them in the pan when it is ready to be put in. Do not put in the pan when it's cold now, y'all. But watch that fire. You don't want to burn them. You want them to get golden brown. They just bubbling, ain't they? They just talking, saying, hey, y'all, I'm ready, flip me. So I'm going to go ahead and get these things turned over. Leave me a comment if you like French toast sticks or if you like French toast, period. Comment down below. How do you make yours? Do you use syrup? Or do you just put some powdered sugar on these babies and enjoy? Y'all leave me a comment down there and let me know. And let me know if you're going to make these in the comments. Look at that goldenness. Do you see that? I said, do you see it? Comment down below if you see that goldenness. Let me know. I see it. Look at that. Yep. He's going to love these. Just put a little bit of that powdered sugar on these things. I mean, they turned out absolutely perfect, right? So you already know yours are. This is a family favorite. Y'all should do these for the little ones. Go on ahead and make up some of these and freeze these things off. And you can cook these in an air fryer. So go on ahead and get your stuff together and start on your toast.